Okay, we are live. Come on, guys. All those who are watching, give me a hi in the chat. Come on, give me a hi in the chat, people. Let me see who all have come today. Hi, Sneha. Hi, Aperchit. How are you guys doing, guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, good, good. That's great. First of all, a happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Because yeah, I guess a lot of people watch me from Maharashtra because I myself am there. So a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Hello, Vishnu. Vishnu. Come on, guys. If you can just call your friends up, it is gonna be spectacular because it means a lot. So your friends coming in and watching my sessions, we getting more students means a lot, guys. Okay, and again, before I start the session or before even I give my introduction, I would just like to tell you that all the projects that I'm making over here and all the guidance that I'm giving over here is strictly for your web development understanding. It is a crash course, not a project building course. So I am trying to build your logic for projects so that you can make your own projects. Okay, so please get that under consideration so that from the next time you know that. Pretty clear. Let's wait, let's wait. One more minute. Not even 1 minute, 30 more seconds. Include JavaScript also in this course. Aperchit, I would have included JavaScript in this course, but the point is that if I include JavaScript right now, I'm on the third day of the course. Today, the entire day will go in finishing the project that we were making yesterday. Tomorrow and day after, I will be telling you different things. I'll be telling you a skill in which you can host your website on GitHub. So how to host it? I'll be telling you that and different things. So by the end of day after tomorrow, we'll be ending this crash course. But the point is that in these days, I can't teach you the entire JavaScript thing. So that is going to be a very big and a very hefty task for me if I add it right now itself. So that's what the thing is. I could have done it, but it wouldn't have been quality education. It would have been just mugging up things for you guys. So I prefer teaching things which are actually possible. Hello, Shabir. How are you doing? Acha, Shabir, I just have a doubt. Where are you from? I don't think you're from India. So where are you from? Ashish Kuthe. Setup. What setup? Ashish? Okay, Shabir, you're from Pakistan. That's great, man. Ashish, what setup? I don't know what you're talking about. Like, I didn't understand. Okay, let's go, guys. I guess it's go time, and it's already 5 meant live server. Okay, okay, yeah, we'll do that. So, hello everybody. I'm Kabir Singh. I'm an avid coder, founder at Jigsaw Minds, mentor 25,000 plus people over YouTube Live. I'm a mentor at different places. I am an educator at Unacademy. So also I have a teaching experience of 1 year, and these are my qualifications. The subjects that I usually take are Java fundamentals, C++, DS Algo, Flutter Dart, HTML, CSS, then a little bit of DBMS SQL, then some of aptitude also. So these are the things which I have for you. Also, the career as a developer subscription for you guys. It's an interesting cover of variety because it actually brings you a lot of things. If you want to start your career as a developer, or you just started your career as a developer, you can go for this at only 999 rupees. So it's just peanuts, because the things which they are offering you in that amount is hefty, because you're getting a lot and a lot of things. So you're getting to talk to the HRs, know the eligibility criterias, know what companies are recruiting, etc, etc. Live problem solving on code chef, over the weekend projects, so your college projects are not a worry now, and all that. Also, you can get an extra 10% discount if you use the code Kabir, KABIR it is. So use it up and get your discount. So college projects will be kind of taken under consideration by Raj Vikram Aditya. He's a spectacular person. I don't know if you guys know him or not, but most of the people in the coding society know him because he has 1 lakh plus subscribers, and he's a pretty good person. So you can go for his thing, also inclusive in that thing. So you have all these things. It is going to be an every Friday night course. So at 10 p.m. So you can get your projects reviewed. He'll be telling you where you're wrong, where you're right, what to change, what is good, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Like the stream, guys. And I am so sorry. I forgot to put my LAN wire and I'm on Wi Fi. So give me just a sec. That's what made me laggy. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel yet, come on guys, join it up, because we are already approximately 600 people down, which I never ever expected. I'm being very honest. I had a target of at least 500 people in 2 months. We reached 600. So if you guys forwarded it, or you guys just told your friends about it, thank you so much, because we are actually learning a lot and we are growing slowly. Okay. So are you guys ready? Give me a yes in the chat. Good evening नितिन ब्रो, VS कोड में ही एक्सटेंशन डाउनलोड कर लें? हाँ कर लो, लाइव सर्वर उसी में कर लो. Only 3 yeses in the chat. Just 3 yeses, guys. Come on. Okay. Hello, Mayank Deep. A lot of new faces, guys. A lot of new faces. That looks good. That's really nice. Just taking 1 extra second and opening my VS code right now itself. Yeah, just gonna begin. Give me 1 sec. So what's your plan for future courses? 13th of, if you want to know about this month, it's 13th of September. I'm starting Flutter. 13 से 17 Flutter. Then 13 से 17 Flutter के बाद 21st to 26, I guess. 21st to 26 I'm giving you guys DBMS SQL. जो interview preparation में DBMS SQL चाहिए होता है, I'm going to teach you that, because that thing won't require any sort of prior knowledge. So if you are in your second year or in your third year, I will make you ready for your DBMS SQL rounds only with that thing. Understand? Did you get it? So I am going to make it very easy for you guys to clear the DBMS SQL all those rounds. ठीक है, तो वो हो जाएगा प्लस, हाँ, तो दिस इज समथिंग विच विल बी हैपनिंग. कोड्स पे जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस वॉज योर कोड येस्टरडे. अच्छा ठीक है, अब देर माइट बी पीपल हु डिड नॉट ज्वाइन येस्टरडे. या my 3 friends are here today. Thank you so much, Nitin Singh. Guys, this is what I expect. This is all that I expect. Just tell your friends about it. If they're interested, they'll come. If they're not interested, they won't come. But if they come, understand we are growing slowly. Okay? Chalo. So I'll do one thing. I'll just share the live server and show you where we have reached till now. Okay, so that you know what we are doing. Home.html, open with the live server. Again, going to projects, showing you kabirsingh.chrome. Okay. So this is what we have made so far. People who are new, this is what we have made. Hi Chetan Mathur. How are you doing, bro? Long time. Okay, this is what we have done. And why is my stream lagging? Guys, is the stream lagging for you? No, it's not. Okay, that's weird. It's lagging on my phone, but it's not lagging on my PC. Okay, whatever. So this is what we have made. You basically have I am Kabir Singh, a programmer, then a programmer's picture with your PC ran into a problem wala situation. One sec. Okay. Okay. And then there's my picture. It should be yours. Obviously, you won't put my picture on your resume. It says, hello, I am an educator at Unacademy and I love to code all day. And there are my skills. So what we did yesterday, we wanted to at least give an overview. So what we did was we attached 1, 2, 3, 4 skills. One was C++, Java, Flutter and HTML. But the logo is same for all. So we need to change the logo first. Okay. So the first thing is we will change the logo. The second thing is we will switch the positions. I told you yesterday also, there will be one picture and then the text, then there will be text and the picture. तो ऐसा कोई भी है जिसको नहीं पता कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और उसको वो चाहता है कि मैं थोड़ा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूं? Anybody who doesn't know what we are doing here and wants a little brief explanation of what we have done so far, give me a yes in the chat. I'll do it for you. Anybody? है कोई ऐसा बच्चा जिसको वापस से ये कराना है, मतलब वो चाहता है कि मैं वापस से समझाऊं? Okay, Shabir, you want me to explain it again? Give me one sec. Okay, Kajal also wants me to do it again. I'll do it. Don't worry. Till then, all those new people who have come, everybody who's new, jaldi se, bina ruke, join the Telegram channel fast. Join the Telegram channel very, very fast. Come on. ठीक है, चलो. So I'll just explain it on a notebook kind of a thing, on a pen tablet. से I'll explain it to you. ठीक है, then you can understand what we are doing. And then I'll explain the code. So first I'll explain the entire agenda of the day and then I'll explain the code. ठीक है, Let's go to my HTML CSS folder, day 2. So basically we are building a website kind of a thing in which there will be a head. So the head says, I am Kabir Singh, I am a programmer, blah blah. The cloud is there, the picture is there. This is your head. Then you have your profile, which has my picture and says, hello, I am an educator at Unacademy, etc. Okay. Then you have my skills, then you have skills. So I'll show you the agenda for the skills page in the next slide. Then you have contact, so you'll have contact me at, so we'll put Instagram logo, we'll put GitHub, we'll put Twitter, though I'm not active at Twitter, we'll put LinkedIn, etc. Okay, this is your entire agenda for the entire website, for the whole website kind of a thing. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Come on, give me a yes or a no fast. Okay, chalo. Now talking about the skills wala page. Okay. Why do I always use this pen book while designing? Because this is your imagination area. Here you imagine and then you code. Whenever you are developing, whenever you are doing app dev, whenever you are doing web dev, you have to imagine first कि मेरे को बनाना क्या है. ठीक है, पहले सोचो, उसको डिजाइन करो दिमाग में कि हाँ ऐसा यहाँ पे ये पिक्चर होगी, यहाँ पे ये टेक्स्ट होगा. उसके बाद तो आराम से गूगल करके ही मिल जाता है कोड. ठीक है. So I will also use Google in front of you to show you how people find their codes. Understood? Understood? Chalo. Now, talking about the skills. What are we going to do? We are going to keep one logo of the skill. जैसे अभी C++ का है ना, तो ऐसा C++ का logo, and here I'll write C++ and one line that I love coding in C++. Then I'll write Java and a line for Java and उसका logo इस side. फिर उसके बाद एक logo इधर Flutter का. Flutter is app development, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा Flutter और उसका एक line. Then I'll do the same for HTML. So I'll write HTML, उसका एक line और यहाँ पे HTML. Understood? So something like this. So picture code, picture text, text picture, picture text, text picture. तो एक डिजाइन बन जाएगा, है ना? Sounds great? Sounds good? Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, people. Only Chetan Mathur is going to answer and Nitin is going to answer, है ना? All the new people. नितिन के दोस्त कहाँ हैं? चलो, ठीक है. Now, getting back to the text, I mean the code. What did we do till now? ठीक है. Talking about the code, understand this part, that till now we have, one second, let me just increase the size. I'm not able to code like that. This is way better. चलो, ठीक है. तो यार the thing is कि अभी तक we have done only 43 lines of code in your index.html, means your home.html, means your first page. And you will not believe it, I am going to finish this website in less than 100 lines of code. Understood? So we'll do less than 100 lines of code and we'll finish up this entire thing. ठीक है? So let's go. Okay. How many of you want me to put this up on GitHub? How many of you want me to put this up on GitHub? Okay, blah, 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 blah. Me. Ashish wants it on GitHub. Okay, I'll put it up. Okay, coming back to the code, I'll tell you the entire thing. This is your normal वो मेटा वेटा जो भी होता है starting का. This is your title. Title is जो Chrome tab का title होता है. The title on the Chrome tab is your title tag in your header file. ठीक है? HTML and Flutter both are just like English. You have to just use some syntax. That is, if you're writing a letter in English, you have to use a format. Correct? सेम गोज फॉर HTML CSS. एक सिंटैक्स यूज करना है, उसके बाद आपका पूरा वेबसाइट बन जाएगा. ठीक है? देन लिसन टू मी. व्हाट इज div? ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर द न्यू जॉइनीज. div is kind of a box, or div is kind of a container, or div is kind of a division that you create for different things. When you go to school, जब भी स्कूल जाते हो, everybody is gone to school. When you go to school, do you understand that in your school you have only one kind of a division for class 1? फिर उसके बाद जब when you grow up, you are sent to the next division, that is class 2. Then you're sent to the next division, that is class 3. So ऐसे करते करते class 1, class 2, class 3 करते करते you have a lot of divisions. Correct? So वैसे ही you can divide your entire website into different divisions. तो मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने एक डिवीजन बनाया है टॉप कंटेनर. व्हाट इज द टॉप कंटेनर? द थिंग विच इज इंक्लूडिंग योर क्लाउड्स, योर टाइटल, योर सब टाइटल एंड योर पिक्चर. दिस इज योर टॉप कंटेनर. व्हाट इज द कोड फॉर द टॉप कंटेनर? इमेज, क्लाउड का इमेज, फिर एक हेडिंग है, that is I am Kabir Singh. Now I'll tell you the best thing about web development and app development. I want to code, ठीक है, I want to code a normal line in HTML CSS and I want to make it italic. All I'm going to do is say on Google how to make text italic in HTML. कुछ नहीं करना, यहां पे जाओ, यहां पे जाके पैराग्राफ टेक्स्ट EM इटैलिक टेक्स्ट, मतलब EM के अंदर लिखेंगे तो इटैलिक टेक्स्ट आएगा. करेक्ट? चलो देख लेते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर. हमने EM के अंदर लिखा है. यस, आई एम कबीर सिंह मैंने EM के अंदर लिखा है. दिस मीन्स दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इटैलिक. So this is what happens. Anything and everything that you want in web development, you will get it on Google. तो इसलिए ये टेंशन नहीं लेनी कि मैंने पहले के क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करे, ये वो. Be very confident about yourself and start programming as soon as possible. 20 people watching, 18 people watching and 13 likes. Guys, hit the like button. Let's hit 15 likes on this stream. At least 15. That is the least I expect. That just hit the free like button, which is फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू पे फॉर इट. ठीक है, जल्दी से लाइक कर दो, जल्दी से. चलो 18 लाइक्स हो गए यार, थैंक यू सो मच. 20 करा दो अब. अच्छा, न्यू पीपल ज्वाइंड टेलीग्राम और नॉट? यस और नो? नए लोगों ने टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन किया? किसी एक नए पर्सन ने ज्वाइन किया? क्योंकि सेशन से पहले 596 था, 597 हो गए हैं. ठीक है, चलो वापस चलते हैं. सो नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी हैव मेड अ मिडिल कंटेनर. ठीक, इन दिस मिडिल कंटेनर व्हाई आर यू यूजिंग EM इंस्टेड ऑफ I? I यूज कर लो चेतन, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है. I फाउंड EM टू बी हैंडी. मेरे को पता है कि मैंने EM पहले यूज किया, I मैंने यूज नहीं किया. लेट्स यूज I, देखते हैं I यूज करके क्या होगा. ठीक है, आई कन्वर्ट माई EM इनटू आई, करेक्ट. आई लेटर कंट्रोल एस. जाके देखते हैं हमारे लाइव सर्वर पे कुछ चेंज हुआ क्या. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ. रिफ्रेश भी कर लिया, कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ, सेम है. ठीक है. यही अगर मैं EM और I दोनों हटा देता हूं, अगर मैं EM और I दोनों हटा देता हूं और कंट्रोल एस करता हूं, तो इट बिकम्स स्ट्रेट. ठीक है. इसको हल्का सा इटैलिक करना है, तो आइदर आई कैन यूज आई. ठीक है. आइदर आई कैन यूज आई. एक सेकेंड यार, ये देखो. ठीक है. अब इसमें या तो मैं आई यूज कर सकता हूं या EM, कुछ भी यूज करोगे तो वो आएगा ही. ठीक है. यू कैन यूज EM एंड जस्ट कंट्रोल X दिस कोड फ्रॉम हियर. कंट्रोल V, शिफ्ट आई. ठीक है. कंट्रोल S कर लेते हैं. लेट्स चेक इट आउट. कुछ चेंज हुआ? देखो वो हल्का सा टेढ़ा हो गया. ठीक है. तो यू कैन यूज आई ऑल्सो, यू कैन यूज EM ऑल्सो, वट एवर यू फील लाइक. ठीक है. So where should use EM? Why to tag describe in HTML for italic? See, it depends. ठीक है. There might be some places or some specific fonts which only support I. Understand? There might be some fonts which only support I. So to fulfill those loopholes, they brought EM. Might be a possibility. Correct? It can be there, right? Yes or no? Chalo. Guys, this Monday I am starting a spectacular mobile app development series. Who all have heard of Clubhouse? Clubhouse के बारे में किस किसने सुना है? जल्दी बताओ. Clubhouse सुना है? Clubhouse suddenly became very famous in a last few months. Clubhouse बहुत famous हो गया था बीच में. Now it's become back to square one because obviously hype doesn't remain for long, but you guys have heard of Clubhouse, right? Okay, only 3 people. Okay, Sneha 4. Guys, see, the max that I expect is just keep texting in the chat. You're on there. Okay. See, so I am making a Clubhouse app for you guys from the 13th, okay? So there's gonna be a lot of fun. तो अगर जिसको भी ज्वाइन करना है, join the Telegram channel. You will get your updates over there. काजल कुमारी नो सर. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. इफ यू हैवंट हर्ड ऑफ इट यू कैन स्टिल ज्वाइन, ताकि मतलब यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट द सेम. ठीक है. चलो. तो गाइज ये पूरी दिस वाज द एंटायर इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द ऐप. आई वोंट वेस्ट मच टाइम. अगेन देर आर पीपल हु आर न्यू. ठीक है भैया, आवर जर्नी विल बी लॉन्ग. yes योर सी, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. For the next 3 months, that is October, November, December, you are going to get content from my side which you wouldn't have expected coming up, being very honest. Clubhouse app was not expected by anybody and I brought it on this thing channel. So same goes for the next month. I am planning a very good thing for the coming next month. So if you come up and be a part of the Kabir Singh Codes family, you are gonna have a lot of fun. Yes, I can show the CSS code. Why not? ठीक है, CSS कोड दिखा देते हैं. So the CSS code is for the image. I didn't use anything. I used only for the top cloud and the bottom cloud. So there are two clouds. One I placed on the right, one I placed on the left. Okay? Not much of a CSS that I used. Okay? The anime one, yeah, I didn't use anything. See, this is your image. Where is it? Yeah. So this is your image, fw.jpg, which is this one. It's going to take time. This is your JPG. And then if you go to your, one sec, if you go to your HTML CSS, you're going to find it over here. Direct. Koi class, there's no class created, so means I have not used any CSS. Okay? I tried creating one but couldn't place the image in the center. Do one thing, Shabir, let me check if the description is updated so you can share your form with me. Share your, in the description there's a form link that says share your code with Kabir Singh. So click a picture of your laptop or the code or print screen it and send it to me on the form. Fill your name Shabir and your details that your name is Shabir. This is your doubt and fill it up. I'll watch it right now and I'll tell you the solution. Okay, this is what I've done for you guys. Anytime you have any doubt, even if you have a doubt at night 3 a.m., just come to any video of mine. Okay, any video. Find the link in the description. It says share your code with Kabir Singh. It's there in the Telegram channel also. Share it up with me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna solve your doubts. Okay? And also remember, whenever you share your code with me, come in the next session so that I can reply to you, so that I can solve your doubts. Understand? I saw top container makes the image and everything center. Top container, एक second रुको. Top container has nothing. See, the position is relative. The padding is 100 pixels and the color of the top container is this. That's all. ठीक है? चलो. What else? What else do you want to ask? What does relative do? Basically, relative is a, it's kind of a centric position. So what it does is it kind of brings it to the middle, maybe like not exactly to the middle. It depends to position. But if you talk about relative, it kind of keeps it proper. Okay. Also, if you get doubts like this when I'm not live, okay, you got a doubt that sir told me that the position should be relative, or somewhere we have also used that the position should be absolute. So what is that actually? What is absolute position? What is और कौन सा था? Relative position. So what you have to do is just go to Google and type what is relative position in HTML. Related its position, it's is positioned relative to its normal position. ठीक है, तो मतलब एक नॉर्मल किसी भी नॉर्मल पोजीशन पे उसको डाल देगा. एंड व्हाट इज एब्सोल्यूट? इफ यू वांट टू चेक व्हाट इज एब्सोल्यूट पोजीशन, अगेन the element removed from the normal document flow and it is positioned to somewhere not normal. So simple, ऐसे ही करना है. Understood? That's what I was. The normal word was something I was not able to get. You're welcome. Okay, ठीक है. Coming back, now we need to find logos for Java, Flutter, then HTML. So let's go. Java logo. Let's find a good Java logo over here. Java logo black. Okay. Let's go for this. Save image. Save it. Okay. Then let's go for HTML logo. Let's go for this. Save image. Let's go for Flutter logo. Flutter circle logo. We need a little circular kind of a logo. This works. Save image as. Let's go. ठीक है. चलो. So we got our logos. Let's get back to. Acha, I didn't share the screen. I'm sorry. I forgot while I was searching logos. I had to share the screen. But it's okay. I'll just transfer all my logos over here. Let me just rename them as flutter.png, html.png, and Java will be not. Java won't be there. Let me check. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे flutter.png, html.png आ चुका है. So in my C++ Java Flutter, here I'll use flutter.png. यहाँ पे I'll use html.png. Control S करेंगे. Let's see changes हुआ या नहीं हुआ. Okay. So I have Flutter. Perfect. And I have HTML. So I agree that the size is not good, but ठीक है, वो we'll fix it up. But it looks good ना. Circle. अब यहाँ पे बस Java का एक circle logo आ जाए तो it will be perfect. And also if we get the Java logo a little bigger than C++, so look at it as a software developer or a web developer point of view. The size keeps growing. C++, then Java, then Flutter, and HTML the biggest. But it won't look that good, so we'll kind of fix it up. Don't worry. Chalo. Okay. So let us also add Java like that only right now. Let me just change it to java.png and add it up. I know it's not looking good. I know. I am sure it won't look good, but okay. Java, Control S. Am I sharing? Yes, I am. So Java looks very bad. I just need to do one thing. So these are some tips and tricks for web developers. If you find an image like that, go to a background remover, copy your image over there, and you'll get a perfect circle over here. It's gonna prepare. Give it some time. Okay, why is it taking so much time? Just a sec. Okay. It did not remove any background, I guess. Okay, it did. It did. It did. So let's just delete the Java file from here. That is java.png. Let's delete it up and I'll get the other one. Okay. So now I'll get my new file which I just downloaded. I don't know if it works. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. Let's find a new logo, guys. We need a new logo now. Java circle logo. Okay, save. Let's see. I guess we need some other logos, guys. So if anybody has any suggestions on what we can do, just tell me because I am not able to find a good Java logo. Okay, wait. I have a better option. CSS circle logo. So if I can't find a good image for Java, I'll just change my skill. I'll just change my skill, my friend. That's the easiest I can do. So I'll name it as CSS PNG. So this is better, right? You can't get your desired thing. So you change your desired. Like, I know people don't do this, but I have to. Not my fault. Let's see. Okay. So this is something which has come up, guys. Okay. So there is C++, there is CSS, there is Flutter, and there is HTML. Okay. ठीक है चलो. Now, sir, the problem is the size of the image is very big. Yeah, the size of the image is very, very big, and we are not liking it. Can you tell us a solution? Of course. So, if I was not here, what would have you been doing is just go to Google and write how to change the size of an image in HTML. That's all. So basically, don't go through this. Obviously, you will go through this, but keeping it short, all that you have to do is make a class for your logo. So which we have made here. Can you see? There is class logo. And in your CSS, let's not keep everything logo. Let's change it to logo 1, logo 2, logo 3 and logo 4. ठीक है, because यहाँ पे the thing is that you will be requiring different sizes of different images. Every image is of different size. HTML PNG is of a different size. Go with vector. I'm so sorry, I read the message late. I already got it. Hello Janvi Jain, how are you? Width, हाँ width करेंगे. आशीष कुठे H3 नहीं समझ आया किस चीज का H3 बोल रहे हो, बट ठीक है ठीक है. तो we took different classes, logo 1, logo 2, logo 3 and logo 4, and in the same CSS now we'll go and we'll code logo 1, now we'll code logo 2. ठीक है, इसमें भी width size, width and height होगा. then logo 3, इसमें भी width and height होगा, and logo 4 में भी width and height होगा. ठीक है, the only thing is let's keep the width and height more smaller, so let's keep it 20 and 20, 20 and 20. Control S this thing, Control S this thing. Let's see what happens in our project. I am not sure. Let's see. Okay, it did not change, I guess. Let's close the live server and run it again. That's what I think the issue is. Open with live server. Okay, it still did not change. I guess we need to decrease the size, but let's see. What does it say? Using the height and width. Okay, how to change the size of a circular image? Easy. Yup. Yes or no? Guys, give me a yes or a no. So now we can also set the border radius, right? So let's set the border radius to 50 pixels. Let's see what happens. Okay, it still doesn't come down, but the HTML decreases from the CSS. Pretty weird. Okay, how many of you can guess what we can do to solve this? Yeah, Worship Demon, I'll do that, but I need to code it out first, right? So how many of you can think of a solution to the same? How can we decrease the size of the image? Guess. Size, margin, okay. What else? What else? Come on, guess it up, guys. Okay, you want me to put the size. Okay, let's hard code the size. That's what you want. Okay, let's see if that is possible or not. There is size 50 pixels. Okay. I guess this does not need it. Okay, I'll Control S this thing. I'll just share the screen and you can see the size is still the same. One sec. Yeah. So even if I take the size to maybe 10 pixels, Control S this thing, the size is same. Can we shift H3 to H4? Setting the height or the width. Okay, Janvi Jen, let's set the height and the width. So what do you think the okay, so what do you want me to do? So I have the height and the width set. I have the size set to 10 pixels. So I'll just remove the size from 10 pixels. And what do you want me to do? You want me to do margin padding? Yep. So What do you want the margin to be? Okay, what do you want the margin to be? Come on, guys. Tell me, what do you want the margin to be? Tell me, what do you want the margin to be? Okay, no answers in the chat. Okay, you want it to be 2 pixels. 2 pixels. Control S this thing. Let's see what happens. Refresh. Though it should work, but I'll still just run it up again in the live server for you guys so that you don't have any other doubts. So it's still the same. What else do you think we can do? Is there anybody who's going to come up and answer? Is there a difference between 20 and 20 pixel? Do you think there's a difference between 20 and 20 px, that is pixel? See, when you write a number over here and you write a p, you have 3 options. It's pc, pt and px. Okay, so this is what happens basically, that it takes default values and it depends on what your compiler does, but you can specify it by px. That's a better option. Chale, let's go and try what we can do. Let's just Google it up. Like, we are developers, we don't know what to do. All you have to do is say how to change the size of the image in HTML and CSS and see how to create a rounded image. Okay, so I took image. Very nice. Use the border radius property. 50% will make the image circular. Okay, let's try this. Come on, let's try this up. Let's make our border radius to 50%. ठीक है, 50% कर देते हैं and margin हटा देते हैं. Control S. ठीक है, चलो. Let's see what happens. It still doesn't change. Can you understand the complexity of the situation? The picture still does not change. What else do you think we can do? Hard code the width and height in the image tag. Okay. So I'll do one thing. It's 5:55. I give you guys 15 minutes break from 6 o'clock. Okay? So from 6 o'clock to 6:15, you get a break. And in that 15 minutes break, you have to guess what you can do. Okay. So you have 15 minutes to think. You can try it out. You can think what you can do. Till then, I will push this code on GitHub right now. Okay. So let me just create a GitHub repository. I'll push it up for you, and then you can let's write easy code website, create a repository, git init. I'm just gonna push this up right now. Pretty fast. So all those who wanna have this, I am going to put the link of the project in the next sessions video. If you wanna see, this is how the project looks like on GitHub, and this is the entire project with all my HTML, CSS, pictures. So if you want the code to the HTML file, you will get it over here. So I'll keep updating it. So we'll see you guys in 15 minutes. So okay. See you guys in 15 minutes. Those who have not joined the Telegram link, join it up so that you can have access to the links. So those people, the people who are coming from the WhatsApp groups, kudos to you because you are going to get it. People who are coming from LinkedIn, join the Telegram channel. People who are coming from Discord, join the Telegram channel. So I don't promote everything, like I don't promote the links every time. So most of the times I forget. So please join the Telegram channel so that you can have access to the links and all. Okay? Understood, guys? Okay. So just a small task for you guys. Come on and tell me what we can do. Come back after 15 minutes and tell me how we can solve this problem. Okay? Is that okay, guys? Give me a yes or a no. Go have tea, go have coffee. Just take a chill break and come back in 15. Link to the next stream will be given in the Telegram channel. So see you over there. Okay. Chalo. Let's go. Bye bye. Come in 15 minutes sharp.